Hey, hi guys. Good evening. Yeah. So last class, what we discussed, guys? Are you there? Rehama? Okay. What we yes. What we discussed, guys, last class? Yeah. So this is the creation of that HTML form and retrieve the data from that form data into that servlet, and so we are going to printing the data onto that browser. Right, guys. So we had given to that almost four steps. We completed to that four steps yesterday. That is creation of employee project and creation of HTML page, creation of employee servlet, and creation of what, guys, printing the data on browser. So this is the part has done yesterday, guys. Yeah. So guys, are you practice this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Step one and two.
Sorry.
I practice step one
Step one
and
and
I'm still practicing.
step one and step two are practiced. Okay. So guys,
Yes.
I'm going to give into that as a yeah. So we will run and check it that code what it will be happen, and today we can discuss to that what, guys, how we can add to that CSS file and JavaScript, we can apply to that validation for to the Java form, guys, by using JavaScript. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I think there is a applied background, so I will remove it. So let's refresh. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to when I'm going to fill in the data. So, and I'm going to give into that address, submit the form. So my data has printed on the browser, guys, right? So see here, guys, I'm going to give into that as a empty data. I'm not able to give it. This is that approach too, guys. If people can check. So when I'm going to not able to fill in that data in that form, so it will be get to that as a empty. If people can check, see there is a data has came as a empty, guys. Technologies, it is not able to coming up. Why? It is address not able to coming. Address, what happened? Empty data it is taking or not. Submit address, input type text address. That if I data I'm going to retrieving where HTML here. So if I where it is address, so that address it's not able to printing, right? So what is the issue here? H4, H4. Yeah, but empty data it's not getting. We will check it. So after filling that form, then it will be coming, right? Then I'm going to apply technologies. Yeah, if people can check that yeah, address has filled out here. Getting means that is that empty data is not getting, guys. We are not selected anything, so that it is not able to show you, right? So what we have to do for this, that empty data, see guys, when I'm going to sending as a empty data, before sending that form, before submitting that when I'm going to clicking to that submit, if I'm not able to fill that data, so that JavaScript validation, it will be tell, please fill that first name. After filling that first name, it will be asked when I'm going to try into that click on to that submit button, so that second label text button, it will be asked, please fill that last name, right guys? After typing to that as a last name, if I try to that click on submit button, technology should be select at least one technologies, guys. We don't, no need to pass as a empty, so that JavaScript will be validated here, right? And same as like what we have to do, when I'm going to sub checking to that as a any technologies, if I try to that as a submit button, then that gender should be that JavaScript validation, it will be what guys, ask to that select that gender, right? After selecting to that gender, if I try to that as a submit button, that address field, it will be asked, it will be asked, please type your address. So that validation we can implement in which file, guys? CSS file or JavaScript file, where we can implement these things.
What's that?
What are
Which one?
validations? Validations, guys. If I not able to give in that values, means first name, if I not able to type, so that when I'm going trying to that click on to that submit button, that there is a what JavaScript file, it will be getting to that word, guys, please fill that your first name. That alert box, it will be give, guys, means we can call as a that is validation, JavaScript validation, guys. So we can implement that part. So before that, what we have to do, I need to implement to that CSS file, guys. How we can implement that CSS file, you should be check here, guys, where we can implement the CSS file. Inside that web inf file or folder, or we can create that CSS file inside that web app folder, guys, where we can create
Web app.
web app folder. So I'm going to right click here, new CSS file, guys. So I'm going to create into that CSS file, that is style dot extension is that CSS, guys. CSS, right? I'm going to create that CSS file. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to apply into that what validate not validation. I'm going to apply into that colors, guys. You people can check. This is the form not able to get into that any uh, colors. So I'm going to apply into that what, guys, color for this labels. You people can check how I'm going to apply into that. So style.css file is there, right? So style.css file, how I'm going to creating, means I'm going to apply that what, applying to that where, guys, table, not table, I'm going to give into that label. I'm going to applying color for to that label, guys. Come here, inside that color, inside that CSS file, guys, that is that predefined tag, guys. uh, HTML predefined tag, that is label. So that is that as a tag, then what we have to do, I'm going to create into that what, this is the way we can create as a, this is act as a class, guys. So for that I'm going to apply into that color, guys. So how I'm going to apply color, which color we need to apply? Red color, guys. This is the way we can apply. You people can check Control S and go to that HTML page. We should be link that CSS file right here. So how we can
Yes.
link that CSS file? By help of a link tag. This is that link tag, guys. So how we can, what is that tag name, guys? href href equal to, what is that my file name, guys? CSS file name, style dot css.
Yes.
And there is a, what, guys, we need to give real dot in that we need to pass a style sheet, style sheet, right, guys? So this is the way we can, apply what, guys, implement in that CSS file. I'm going to copy it, sorry, Control S, refresh that our file, guys. You can refresh the browser. So you people can check here, guys, that label applied, that what, guys, colors, guys, getting or not it is.
Yes.
Like that, what we
Yes,
have
sir.
to do, we can apply to that color, what we can apply for that color, Java, JDBC, Servlet. So for that, what should I to do here, guys? There is a what, how to call it, input type TD. Yeah, I'm going to apply into the color for to the TD also, guys. Right? So come here, we can implement to that color for TD. Control Z, TD, one braces, and color. I'm going to apply to that as a green, guys. Control S, refresh. See, guys, is applied for to that TD. Guys, getting or not it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way we can apply for to that color, these guys. So can we apply for this employees details? If people can check, go to that, check to that employee details where it is. Tab, where it is, action. Yeah, caption I need to apply, guys. CSS caption color orange. If people can check, refresh it, guys. So this is the way we can apply to that color which field you have to require, guys, getting or not it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the way we can apply, this is the way we can implementing to that what, guys, by help of that CSS we can do that lot of things. So I'm going to applying to that background color also. So background colors, how I'm going to applying, body will be applicable or not. Yeah, in inline style sheet also we can apply, guys. But color, which color I need to apply?
Background.
Sorry, gray.
He said background color.
Yeah, background, no, I will check it. Background color we can apply for to that inline style sheet, guys. BG color you are seeing, right? So what we have to do, instead of this, I need to implement in where, inside that employee HTML we can apply here only, guys, for body. BG color equal, I'm going to give in what, guys, Great. Control S, refresh it. Guys, getting or not?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the way we can apply to that color, guys. Or else, what should I to do? Which color? Red color can I apply? Not red. Uh, Yellow. Control S, refresh. Yeah. So this is the way we can apply, guys, that color where you want, right? So yeah, guys, I'm going to implementing to that JavaScript, guys, for that validation, form validation. I'm going to apply now. So guys, if I'm not able to fill in the data, if I click on submit, then that please enter your first name, like that, that there is a alert it will become, guys. How we can implement, you people can check here, guys. So for that, what should I to do? You people can that form here is that we can take as a one of the what, guys, method name we need to take. So that method name, guys, when I'm going to click into that on submit, there is a on submit button here. What, guys, event is there on submit event, right? What is that field name, guys? On submit, there is a we have a one event that is on sorry, on submit is that one of the event is there, guys. So I'm going to use into that on submit before submitting to that before sending the data to that this class. This is that servlet class, right? So before sending that data to this class, I need to validate. So for that, what should I to do? I'm going to take into that what, guys, one of the event is there that is on submit, guys. This is that on submit equal, I'm going to give in what, guys, I'm going to give into that as a method name. What are the method I need to take? Check data method I need to take, guys. Here check data is that method name, guys. This is that method, right? So that method I need to return, guys. There is a return URL. This is that method I need to return. And what should I to take here, guys? I need to take as a that form name. See here, guys, there is a input type text and a name I'm going to taking, right? So name is that there is a variable I'm going to give it for the same as like I'm going to apply to that form also. So what should I to do here? I'm going to take into that name property, name equal to, I'm going to give into that form name, guys. That is F1 I'm going to consider here. I'm going to take in that form name as a F1, guys. Guys, getting or not it is? Before sending the data to the servlet, employee servlet, I need to check that validation of that form, guys. Which form? This form. So that I'm going to give into that form name as a F1, guys. So how we can implement into that JavaScript? If people can check here, guys, I'm going to create as a one JavaScript file. What is that JavaScript file name I'm going to give in here? Where is that JavaScript? Yeah, this is the JavaScript. So that what file name? What should I to take, guys? Validate validate.js. Validate.js. I'm going to taking that file name, guys. Guys, 1 minute. Hello, Avi. Avi, hello. काय છે 1 मिनिट देख yeah. So guys, what is my JavaScript file name? Validated.js, right? I'm going to give in that file name, guys.
Yes.
my JavaScript file has created, right? So what is that function I took into that HTML form, guys? What is that form name? On submit form name. Check data is that form method name, guys. Yeah, we can call as a function. There is a function. Function name is that what, guys? Check data. This is the way we can create a function, guys. Guys, getting or not, please?
Yes, I'm getting.
So what should I to do here, guys? I need to check that I need to validate that validation, guys, for to that as a form. How I'm going to check in that form name? How I'm going to validate that form is nothing but what is my form name, guys? What is that form name?
F1.
Excellent, guys. F1 is that my form name dot what is that which field I need to apply to that validation, guys? Which field I am going to apply to that validation? For name only, right? If people can check that form.
Yes.
Yeah, if I'm not able to, if I'm not able to type to that entering the data as a first name, so that I'm going to validation for that first name, guys. What is that first name field name, guys? Here E1, right? Variable name.
Yes.
Yeah, F1 dot E1 dot E1 dot what is there is a value. This is that what, guys? It can be given to that as a one of it can be stored as a one of the variable, guys. It can be stored that value inside that where one of the variable, right? So I'm going to take into that variable name as a what, guys? There is a predefined keyword is there, guys, where this is that where predefined keyword, and I'm going to take in that what, guys, variable name as a v1, right? So see, guys, this is that I'm going to check into that condition. If my first name coming as a empty, then I'm going to check into that condition, guys. How I'm going to check in that condition? If what is that variable name, guys? V1, right? V1
Keyword.
V1 equal to empty. Empty is nothing but this is that empty, guys, right? So what should I to do? I need to get that one of the alert box, guys. If people can check, I'm going to get into the alert box. How I'm going to getting? There is a what? Alert is that one of the predefined.
Yes.
Yeah, this is that method. So that method, what should I to do here? I'm going to taking to that alert. Please enter your name, guys. Inside that alert, I'm going to give an as a please enter your first name. Please enter your first name, right? And return false, guys. Return false because of why I'm going to taking as a false is nothing but that empty data it's not able to send to that server, guys. We are not able to send the data empty data to that server. That is the reason I'm going to give in only validation level. I'm going to checking, guys. If I'm going to enter into that data my first name, if I'm entered, then that return type should be go as a true, guys, but I'm going to give in as a false now. So guys, you people can check here, same as like I need to apply for that what, guys, second field also. You can come here. I'm going to applying to that as a first name for that validate here. Yeah, I'm going to enter it as a Srinu, right? So but I'm trying to that word, guys, click onto that submit button, but last time also that required or not, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, so it will be asked, please enter your last name. It will be asked. So for that also I'm going to apply into that word, guys. I'm going to apply into that word validation here. How I'm going to validate that? If people can check here, guys, same as like we can implement it. Control C and control V. What is that field name, guys? What is that variable name? Second field name E2. And what is my variable here? E2. V2 E2, right? So I'm going to check in that condition. E2 equal to empty. So I'm going to again what, guys? It will be getting that one alert. That is that please enter your what, guys, last name.
Yes.
Guys, getting or not it is. And this is also returning to
Yes,
that
sir.
what, guys, false values only. Same as like what should I to do here, guys? Technologies. If I see here, guys, when I'm going to selecting the checkbox, then that return type as it will be go as a true, guys. But if I'm not able to check at least one checkbox, then that it will be what, guys, get to that as a that alert box. It will become please select at least one language, one technologies. Like that, there is a alert. It will become, guys. So for that, what should I to do? You people, can you tell me, guys, what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to taking for what, third field, right?
Agree.
Yeah, how I'm going to checking to that
Yes.
condition? You people can check here, guys. Here is that minute. Yeah. So here is that how I'm going to checking is nothing but I will take to that variable name what, guys. What is that variable name?
E3.
E3. And what is that variable name?
The third one.
V3. Right, guys? V3.
Thank you.
Sorry? What
Yes,
happened?
I'm around the wrong one. It's the third one.
Where?
The third variable.
E3 variable. Ah?
I think it is second
Oh,
variable.
sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So here we can change, right? E3, V3, and how we can check that condition, guys? We can check that condition. There is a what, guys? I'm going to checking that condition here. Here is that F1 means form 1, right, guys? There is a directly I'm going to returning here, checking that condition, but it will be, yeah, if people can check, guys. I'm not able to give into that var variable because of I'm going to applying to that entire thing inside that form if condition only. If people can check, there is a form name what, guys? F1, and what is that variable name? V. What is the variable name, guys? E3. Form data variable name what, guys, here? People can check. Technologies variable name E3 only, right?
Yes.
E3 equal to I'm going to checking to that.
Second variable.
Yeah, I'm going to doing here only. 40. sorry, f1 dot e3 f1 dot e3, and I'm going to take into that word, guys, checkbox 0. How many checkbox is there, guys? 3 checkbox is there, right? So that e3 of 0th, this is that word, guys, first checkbox. This is that first checkbox. Dot there is a checked is that checked equal to false, guys. Checked equal to false. False, right? Same as like I need to do what, guys? Second checkbox, right? There is a and operator keyword is there, guys. Means you can select that at anything. You people know you are good into that area. And operator and are not, right? So how I'm going to using the and operator? This is the term and operator, guys. Same as like I'm going to applying to that word, guys. This is that only. But that checkbox position is that word, guys. One checkbox position. What is the checkbox position, guys? Here is the 0th checkbox. Is this is that one, guys? I'm going to give you, and I'm going to using what, guys? There is a one more checkbox is there, right? So for that I'm going to using to that one more and operator. I'm going to check in here. F1 dot e of e3 of that what, guys, checkbox is that 2. So it will become as a checked as equal to false, guys. Then it will be what, guys, alert box. It will be tell to that what, guys, alert, please select your technologies. At least one technologies we should be give here. Please select, not select, please check, right? So it will be returned. Same as like we can apply for what, guys? Same as like we can apply for what? Gender. Guys, getting or not it is?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to applying checkbox for to that what radio button, right? So how I'm going to give, any people can check here, guys. Same as like f1 dot what is the variable name? E4
People.
and 0th radio button, guys. Checked equal to false, and f1 this is that one, and how many check radio button is there, guys? Only 2, right? So that is the reason I'm going to remove this, guys, and we need to check this is that e4. That's all, guys, and we need to give to that alert, please select, please select your gender, right? So this is that this is the way we can apply for the validation for what, guys? Gender. Okay, so what next, guys? There is a address, right? There is a address field is there, guys. For that I'm going to using to that validation. So what is that variable name? E5, E5. Can you go and check it?
Yes.
Yeah, E5. E5, and my variable I'm going to storing in where, guys? V5. I'm checking to that V5 equal to empty. Then I'm going to Alert what guys? Please enter your address. Right? So guys, this is that only. This is that what guys? If condition. We can write to that multiple if condition, right guys? So I'm going to get into that. You people can check here in this form. If I'm not able to enter it, type to that data to that all the fields, then it will be when I'm going to click on to that submit button, it will be validation. It will be asked guys. But when I'm going to submit into that submit button, that else block, guys. That is that initially is that a false. It will be returning as a false, guys. So what should I to do here? I'm going to use into that what, guys? Else block, guys. Getting or not? It is. I'm going to use into that else block now. Else block we can write to that what, guys? Validation. That is that validation. It will be go to that what, guys? Valid data means we are going to select into the given to the, all the fields we are going to given, and all the checkbox also we can check with that validation. So that is that given what, guys? Else block. So that else block, what should I to do here? That else block returning that value as a true or false, guys. True value it will be go, guys. Alert, control C, and that data is validated, guys. I'm going to give in that entire data as validated. Data is validated, right? So that return type what, guys? Here true. Better.
అయిపోయిందా
Right guys, so this is the way we can implement to that what, guys? JavaScript. And we can check, guys, where it is going to use this JavaScript, guys, inside that HTML form. How we can use it? What is that form name, guys, where we can implement, guys, it JavaScript form inside that header tag only, right? What is that tag name, guys? Script, script. This is the script tag, guys. Open script, close script, right? So right, is correct, huh? Control C, Control V, and what we have to do here, guys? We can give to that what? There is a property is there, guys. That is src equal our JavaScript file name. What is my JavaScript file name, guys? Validated.js. Guys, getting or not? It is.
yes sir
This is the way we can. Yeah, why it is getting to the error? Yeah, outside that header tag we need to use, guys. It is Control S, Control S, Control V, Control S, header tag close. Right. So I'm going to stop that my server, and I need to run it, guys, again. Why it is getting that error, guys? This is that not error. I need to refresh it. Project clean in the project. See, run our application, run on server, comcat, click on next, finish. Yes, that form getting guys, but that validation is a validation applied or not, we can check guys. I'm not able to enter it, any field guys, so I'm going to click onto that submit button. You people can check. See guys, that JavaScript file is working or not. Please enter your first name. Guys, getting or not it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'm going to enter into that first name. No problem. Right? If people can check, I'm going to try into that submit button, guys, again. I'm not able to fill into that last name remaining fields. Try into that submit button. If people can check,
బండి ఎంత పైన పెట్టవా అదేమో పెడుతున్నారు పగిలింది కదా అదేమో పెడుతున్నారు అంటే పైన
please enter. Yeah, please enter your name. It is going to ask you. So see here, guys, same as like I'm going to apply into that multiple all the fields nena what. So yeah, same. You people can check here, guys. Yeah, I'm going to give into that second field and click onto the submit button. You people can check. Yeah, please check at least one check technologies, guys. Yeah, tell me.
I can see only the yellow.
You can't see to that JavaScript file.
No.
Can you rejoin? From my side is that everything fine. Here పెడుతున్నారు ఇల్లే పెడుతున్నారు visible now, guys. Hello. Please unmute.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, visible now.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, see here that form. I'm going to wear my form, guys. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yeah. If people can check here, guys, I'm not able to fill into that any fields, guys, and trying to that submit button. So it is asking to that please enter your first name. Guys, visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what should I to do? I need to enter to that first name, guys. This is that validation, guys. This is that validation. Right? And I'm trying to that what, guys. Click onto the submit button. So that second validation it will become. You people can check. See, please enter your last name, guys. It is asking to me last name. I'm going to enter into the, my last name. I'm going to try into that what, guys. Click on submit button. It will be asked to that. See here, guys. Please check at least one technologies. This is that validation, guys. It is not hitting to that server, guys. This is the request not hitting to that controller. Controller, this data is not able to going, right? So that is the purpose. What should I to do? I need to check at least one box, check box. I'm going to checking two check box. Click onto that submit button. So that third label, it will be asked to that validation, guys. If people can check, please select your gender. Right, guys. In real time, we can do like that only, guys. I'm going to select into that gender, guys, and I'm going to try into that submit button. So it will be asked to that as a label file address. See, please enter your address. We should be give to that word, guys, address. See, if people can check now, guys, I'm going to click onto that submit button. So when I'm going to submit that button, that data should be go to the browser. If people can check, data is validated. Okay. See, guys, getting or not? So this is the way we can validate our form data inside where, guys, JavaScript file. In real time, we can implement CSS file is separate class, separate file, and JavaScript separate file, HTML separate file, and Servlet separate file, guys. What we are implemented here, same thing we can do into that real time, guys. Guys, getting or not? Yeah. What is that fifth step we implemented here, guys? Implementing step 5. Sorry, step 5 is that CSS file. CSS file. Right? And what is the sixth steps, guys? What is the sixth step? Implementing JavaScript validation. Guys, this is the six steps we had completed, guys. Right? This is the 6 steps has completed. Guys,
Okay.
yeah, so this is the way this is the way we can implement into that application in real time, but we are not able to send the data on browser, guys. Tomorrow I will show you what, guys, this data I need to store in where, guys, in database. Our requirement what, guys, we are not able to store to the data inside that browser. I need to store the data into that where, database. That guys, you know that there is a Facebook application, Gmail application, Flipkart application, and Amazon application, right? So initially when we are going to register that Gmail or Facebook, that data should be stored what, guys, visible onto that browser, or that data it will be stored into that database. That data should be stored into the database. So when I'm going to, yeah, when we going to log in that application, at that moment, database this data and what are the credential we are going to give in, that both are equal, then that login form it will become, guys. Otherwise it will be throw what, guys, exception, invalid username or password it will be get, right? So like that form we can implement, guys, on Monday. So how we can implement that form, guys? We people, which form we can implement, guys? Facebook we can implement, or Gmail? You can tell me.
Facebook.
Facebook ka? So do you know what are the field it will be asked before creation of before login? We need to register, right? What are the field it will be asked? Do you know? Yeah, you can tell me, guys.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, I'm going to create it. Yeah, facebook.html file. This is that facebook.html file we need to create. What are the fields? What are the form data it will be asked, guys? Tell me. Labels. Full name, first name. What it will be asked, guys?
Create a new Facebook.
Yeah. I'm going to creating registering with that. First of all, we need to register, right? Yeah. So register. See, you people can check, guys. I'm going to open into that Facebook form. Facebook login. See, I don't have that Facebook account. If people can check, then what should I to do? Open to that Facebook. See, guys, there is a sign in, sign up. If people can check, we should be sign up, guys. First, this is the field. This is the form we need to implement, guys.
Okay.
Okay. First name, surname, mobile number, password, date of birth, and gender, guys. Gender, right? So gender and sign up. This is the date. This is the data we need to implement, guys. Right? This is that first name, and next word, guys. Surname, right? Surname. What next, guys? New mobile number. Yeah, mobile number or email ID. So I'm going to take an email ID, right? Email ID. Sorry, email ID. What next, guys? Sorry, date of birth. Yeah, date of birth we can take. Before that, we need, yeah, before date of birth, we should be give the password, right, guys? So password field,
Yes.
password and date of birth, guys. DOB. It is asking DOB or yeah, date of birth, right? But this is the date of birth, and there is what, guys? We should be give to that select as a date of birth, months, and years, right? So we can take select date, date of birth. What next, guys? Gender, gender, and submit button, sign up option. We need to take as a sign up option. So this is that button, guys, and yeah. So what should I do to take? Here is that one. This is that text box. This is also text box. Email ID also what, guys? Text box, and password also what, guys? Text box only, and date of birth. Date of birth you should be give three fields, guys. This is that what? Select date, month, year, right? So I'm going to select box it is. right? Yeah, and gender, text box, sign up user what guys button. Guys, this is that form we can implement it. This is that a facebook.html. After that, what we have to do here, guys, there is a in real time scenario how we can implement. So that is the way we can do, guys. So this is the form we can use, and for this we can create a one of the word, guys, Facebook entity class. We can call as a Pojo class or domain class or guys, this is that advanced concept. So we can create as a one of the what we have to call uh, we can create DTO class, guys, right? So that a DTO class we can create that field. What are the field is there? That fields we need to create. So for that purpose, we need to take one more class. That class name is that what, guys? Java. This is that user data dot Java, guys. I need to take that class name what, guys? User data dot Java, right? So this is that this class can contain what, guys? This is that field: first name, last surname, email ID, password, date of birth, and gender field. It can be available in where, guys? In this class, guys. That is user data dot Java class. We need to declare here, right? So later point of view, what we have to do here, guys? We need to store the data in where? In database. So what we have to require, guys? There is a JDBC technology we have to require, right? Guys, we already done to the JDBC. If I want to communicate with the database, what are the which technology we have to require? JDBC. So yeah, there is a we need to require to that word, guys. One more class to that connection related class we need to create, guys. Con dot Java class we need to create here. Con dot Java class, guys. It is. Con dot Java. Sorry. DB connection, guys. It is unable to see it. Maybe your side getting to that issues, guys. Yeah. So guys, this is that application we can what I will give you to that on Monday, and we can implement it, guys. This is that you should be understand to that what is that your user data.java, what is the DB connection.java, and what is the servlet we can implement. I will show you on Monday, guys. Okay. So just I'm going to give into that architecture, guys. So not completed it. I will give you on Monday, guys. Okay, because of you are facing to that with some issues, I think. So we can connect on Monday, guys. Okay.
Yes, connection problem.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see on Monday.